Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me and Oswald out on the trail today. Got my new camera mount. You kind of see it there in the corner. I still got to figure out the best place for it, but I think it might do a better job than me trying to hold it. Let me see if I can raise this up a little. Come down a little. Is that a little better? Maybe. Yeah, we'll try that for now. See how that does. This is definitely a low range obstacle. Oh, I'm forcing myself up on him.
Rain washed all the dirt off. It made it kind of easy. No, you have a locker. I didn't mean I used it. Wet tires right now giving me an issue.
I'm out of your way if you want to come back and get a better run at it. See how he does here. So I shouldn't have crowded him. You should always give a guy in front of you time to conquer his obstacle before you jump in there. Yeah, there he goes. He got over in the traction area. Oswald don't like me narrating. He thinks I should be talking to him. Alright. My turn. This is slick. Awesome. Key there was definitely to go over in the dirt and get your traction. Woo! Dang, that's a big drop there. Stuff changes so much when you're wheeling. You should not do like me and mind your business. Be prepared for drops to be washed out, especially after winter and all the rain we've been having. Yes, I filled up this time. Does it go up that way? Oswald, get in your own seat, buddy. You can't get... He's photobombing me. Dude, you're in my way. Scooch over.
Where are you guys at, Tony?
Up at the big concrete pile.
Alrighty, I'm coming to you.
Roger that. I know. Shh. We'll get out and go pee in a minute. Then I gotta let my dog pee. goes.
We gotta keep going.
No, same place.
Yeah, it's just pulling up.
You're rolling a log with your front wheels.
Ooh, he's got a nice front axle under that thing.
And that log's trying to roll.
That log stuck. That log stuck now.
Yeah.
What's that log hung up on?
You're gonna need to back up and read. Oh, oh, oh. There he goes. Go. Oh, so close. There he goes.
I rubbed on about every tree through there.
Shit. It's a pretty gnarly part here. I'm gonna take this side and get crazy
Yeah, I couldn't
off
keep that
camber.
stupid thing open for. I think I can drive on.
Woo! Got it. My knee's hurting today. That's why. Hold on there, buddy. Okay. There we go. That's my buddy. Oh, sorry, sweet talking my dog there, and my brakes making noise. It kind of freaks him out to hear all of that squeaking. That might make good for Todd's camera work there. Loudest brakes in the group. We're gonna make it. There it goes. Eating snacks and wheeling.
right behind you, Jeff. Yeah, it's a little slippery coming down. Yeah.
Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, listen to me talk to my dog when I wheel. My brakes squeal, but I fixed my squeaky belt.
Always got to take the way less traveled.
Try to get him in there. There he is. Alright, we're going to lose him now because I take the other way. I take the way with the big ledge up here. Ah, there he went. You couldn't see him because I didn't have it pointed at him. It's nice little ledges.
I'll never climb this the same way again.
You just can't tell how steep things are in this point of view typey stuff. Right up it. Nice. Alright, viewers, this is a trail Oswald and I got to help cut today. So we're pretty excited about that. I think maybe I've been running the 4Runner a little too long with that low oil pressure, and she's starting to hopefully just make a top engine noise here, but she's making a little noise. We're gonna limp her through today. Maybe a project to work on. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it lives. This is all new. You like it? You know, you can't tell. Probably looks like I'm just driving on the road. Nice edge, curvy, swervy here. Ooh, that's a nice climb in at Oswald. There's a big rock here. And a big rock here. I put those arrows up too, so woohoo! Watch out, Oswald, when you're out here wheeling this trail. Ooh, that was my back bumper. Watch them big rocks. Ooh, yeah, that's a big one. Okay, Oswald doesn't like that. Come on, buddy, get back in your chair. Get back in your chair here. Okay, there we go. Alright, so there's like a couple 3 lines you could choose right through that part, but most of it is on this ridge, and it's pretty awesome because I helped make it. Because I don't care if my truck looks like a raisin, I'll just keep right on going through the trail. Oh, there's that drift catcher rock, and that turns out right here. Nice. And out. Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha. Awesome. Okay, one more time in case you missed it the first time through. The guy that is in the awesome Tacoma that you keep seeing, the Red Tacoma, it's double locked, IFS 35s, geared, armored up. He is the guy who cuts these trails out here, and we've become friends, and he let me come out and work on this trail because he knows I don't really care about the body damage all that much at all. So I'm not opposed to cutting a trail through for the first time, seeing if it's going to work. I'm honored. I need to get some attention paid to the Forerunner before the next trip. I've said that 3 trips in a row now, and I still haven't done it. So hang on, Oswald, this is the one you don't like. Woo! There's a big rock at the bottom. Oh, that's slippery. It's like it's getting broken down some as I'm going around it. But I like it. Oh, there, I did that last time too. Oh, this is cool. Oh, woohoo! See how off camber that gets right there? I love that. That's why I build the armor, to take the abuse. I gotta build a platform that makes Oswald more happy though. Some more level surfaces so he ain't constantly falling around in the truck, poor guy. He's a trooper and a half. This is awesome. Smiling faces. Woohoo! Nice trail. I love it. 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 I love it, dog.